Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where this green line annotation is coming from. And definitely want to get things updated here. It was another nice day, a quiet day. It's not like it made a huge amount of noise or anything like that, but it still once again started to creep upwards, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched yesterday's video, but for those of you that did, hopefully you remember me talking about this purple line here, the 50 period simple moving average as resistance, and just wondering, can the price actually push above it? And we got our answer right here. About mid-morning, bulls were able to fight above it, but most impressively, the price was then able to maintain above it. So I realize this action is kind of boring where it just goes sideways, but keep in mind the context, and the context was it had just broken above a very important technical level, and then it maintained those gains. It maintained the break, and sometimes that's the hardest part of everything, is not necessarily getting through a certain level, but then staying above it and maintaining above it, which it did indeed happen. So going forward, ideally speaking, you now want to see the price stay up above that purple line. Now, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But if the price can stay above there, then yeah, technically speaking and preferably speaking, that would be the best possible scenario going forward. In regards to next areas of resistance, now the bulls have to worry about the big brother of the 50 period, which is the 200 period up there, that pink line. So that is still a bit of a distance away, but that is going to be the next key overall technical point. So at this point, it's really just all about the bulls kind of doing what they've been doing, putting in those higher lows. And as long as the price builds those higher lows like it's been doing and gets these stair steps headed in the upwards direction, then the long-term chart is going to take care of itself just fine. So again, final recap, ideal area of support, 50 period simple moving average, still the overall key level at $2.30, and the next key battleground and overall area of resistance up there, that pink line, which is the 200 period simple moving average. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click that image right there and I will email you the guide. The guide is very short, it's to the point, and like I said, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.